5 years ago, I met a man from Rwanda, helping his country overcome extreme trauma while working together to rebuild communities, strengthen economies, and save a national treasure. I was a veterinary hospital manager at my local zoo. He had recently founded Rwanda Wildlife Conservation Association to save the iconic endangered gray-crowned crane from extinction. I joined the cause, providing laboratory technique training and much-needed veterinary medical equipment. But what I have taken away has been truly indispensable. While children proudly share with their communities the importance of preserving native biodiversity, Dr. Olivier Nsengimana and his team empower communities by creating new careers and rivers of revenue in natural resource and wildlife management, conservation education, and ecotourism, thus securing the gray-crowned crane as a symbol of wealth and longevity and the economic future in Rwanda. Natural capital. Earth is collateral. Ecosystems are important to humans because of the many services they provide us, such as clean air, drinking water, and the food we consume. Loss of diversity between species decreases ecosystem resilience. Once healthy ecosystems have been torn apart, leaving us defenseless against environmental forces threatening food security and exposing us to deadly diseases. Harmful agricultural practices have led to a decline in pollinator species that have indirect roles in the production of our food. As the global coronavirus pandemic rages on, it's hard to deny the deadly threat that newly emerging diseases pose to humans, regardless of wealth, status, race, gender, religion, age, or ethnicity. All around the world, fires and bulldozers mindlessly rip through forests, increasing the risk to humans for exposure of zoonotic diseases. We should invest in cleaner, safer, and healthier economic practices in a way that preserves biodiversity, which in turn could save trillions of dollars in life-enhancing resources annually. Declining biodiversity is an investment risk, requiring prompt mitigation. In Colombia, farmers have reported significant increases in production and profit under a new system of agroforestry. Farmers plant trees, providing shade and food for production animals, habitats for other species, and carbon capture and storage services. If governments prioritize, fund managers, invest in, and consumers support healthy practices such as agroforestry, ecotourism, polyculture production systems that reduce the need for pesticides and increase soil nutrients, and reliable fishing methods, we may be able to reverse the negative consequences and save trillions of dollars a year. Natural capital. Earth is collateral.